Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you delete your email account on iPhone or iPad. So guys, for that just go to your phone settings. Now after going to your phone settings, just scroll down and go to mail. Here you can see mail, just click on it. And after clicking mail, here you can see again accounts, click on accounts. Now after clicking on accounts, here you can see Gmail, click on Gmail. And in the bottom here you can see delete account, just click on delete account. And if you just click on delete from my iPhone, the mail will be deleted from your iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you guys find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bro. Thank you so much for watching the video.